Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the latest in the
Legendary Warrior.
Thank you.
The 13th specifically. This series has been going on for a little bit now, but not to the point of.
In the series?
I think so, yes. But the way they phrase it on, this is from Silvertown, the way they phrase it on the website is kind of, they're talking about this series. So there's potential they might do a second run of, something. I don't know. We'll wait and see. But yeah, very, very cool. Number 13. And we have William Wallace.
You do. At least I can pronounce this one. I was terrible with the last one.
I was going to say, we got Alex in for some of the previous ones, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm proud of you for not starting this with a Scottish impression or coming in with some blue face paint or something like that.
Yes, I don't want to offend all our Scottish because my Scottish impression's terrible.
I think this is one of those ones that's very, very cool for the Scottish people. William Wallace, the War of Independence for the Scots way back when.
It didn't go real well for him.
Didn't go real well, but yeah. And more recently of Braveheart fame, although it was 1995 or something, so
I was going to say
30 years but
ago.
In the world when we're talking, hundreds and hundreds of years ago for when he was around.
I still got to take my hat off to Silvertown over this series, and we're going to go down this path again, Rubes.
Oh, not the D
detail
word.
in there is just huge.
Yeah, absolutely. You've got William there as a very kind of front focal piece, but again, and same as we've mentioned in pretty much all the others, the background really comes to life.
Yeah.
There's multiple scenes going on. It's not just the one and done. Here's the subject and that's it. You've really got a full story going on with these.
Absolutely, it's the background that fascinates me with these. Even this guy, it's easy for me to see. It's hard to point out on camera, but you've even got facial expressions on this guy right in the background here. You've got.
Screaming something about freedom, I think it was.
Most likely. But just like again, I'm going to use that D word, the level of detail in there in the background. Never mind the facial expressions on the main characters and that. It's fantastic. And then over the page, you've got the same as the other ones, that Legendary Warriors in writing, 1 ounce, 3 nines, fine silver.
The ensemble of weapons.
Yeah.
Very, very cool.
So, a great coin, reasonably priced. Depending on how you want to use that expression. I've probably just lit up the comments below.
Yes.
But, like if you compare it to 12 months ago, all the premiums have gone through the roof. But compared to a coin with this detail in it, that you're seeing, like it's going to be quite a bit cheaper than those sort of things. So, just a great coin. Another one to see if you're collecting the whole series. Another one for you to grab, and there's only a couple more to go, we think. And we've got an amount. We couldn't get humongous amounts, but we've got an amount for now. No guarantees we'll be able to get any more in after this load.
Particularly good for people that are trying to pick up the full Legendary Warriors set. I know there's been a few people that have been picking those up as they've been coming out, and we've had a few questions about these. So yeah, definitely a good one to add to the stack, especially if you're doing that. I will call them out a little bit, Michael. I was doing some little bit of a look at the design and also brushing up on my Braveheart and William Wallace knowledge, and I went, hang on a minute, that pose looks strikingly familiar. So yeah, on one of the posters for Braveheart, I suspect it's where they've got their inspiration for this design from. But yeah,
Oh, why not?
Exactly. Like I said, it's the most recent kind of famous. The link to William Wallace that we've had in recent memory. So yeah, why not? But a very cool one indeed.
A great product by Silvertown. Good stuff.
Links will be down in the description. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.